Hey, here is a Christmas present slash food shop. This is everything. It was Tesco's. It was £140, but I will put on screen how much of that was Christmas and how much is groceries. I've got to do this quick while the kids are at school. So the first thing I got is some pyjamas for Aria. These were £9, they're little fleecy ones. They're really nice and soft and lovely. Oh, I've just chucked them on the floor, well done. Some toilet rolls, 24 toilet rolls. Big tiger bread. Grapes. They do little cucumbers there now, which was good because I normally go to Lidl for these. So I'm happy, and they're the same price as the little ones. Got a new planner for next year, which I just thought was the cutest planner ever. Look how cute this is. And it's plastic-free packaging, which I love. You're stronger than you think as a potato or as a cookie, I'm not sure, but I love it. Mozzarella, advent calendars for the kids, 3 of them. 2 books for Fox for Christmas, the 12 Dinosaurs of Christmas and 10 Little Penguins. He loves this series of books. Big broccoli, bananas. I got this for our Christmas Day meal. This serves 8. I have got something else from Aldi, but that'll be a different video because there's possibly going to be 10 of us. So we got that, just a turkey breast. That'll be yummy. I've got a cabbage, some sausage rolls. I got myself some turkey for sandwiches because I thought I was just fancied. I got the girls one of these the other day. It's recycled gift wrap and it's 10 metres and it's £1.50. And I got this one for Foxy's presents because the girls' ones are covered in like unicorns and stuff. 2 lots of fruits. Oh, the paper's going to fall. Some big what's-its for Foxy. I got myself some lentil curls because I love these. They're so yummy. I got a soup and broth mix. Just looked interesting. So we'll give that a go. I got some sausage meat. Some pork and honey chipolatas. These are my favourite sausages. I'm really not a fan of sausages, but these are delicious. A big thing of strong flour for baking, for making like bread and stuff. 2 lots of butter. A mince. This was in like the big value ones. This was £1.75. So you get Jammy Dodgers, Maryland cookies and double chocolate cookies. I thought that was quite good. Big bottle of sriracha because I think we're nearly out. Milk. Ice gems for Foxy. A toothpaste because Mika told me this morning they've just run out. Beans. Big thing of Jaffa cakes. Everyone in this house is poorly, so I've got 6+ Calpol and then normal Calpol for Foxy. I got him some of these to try, some bunny bites. I think they're like Pom Bears, but bunnies. I got this. She is upstairs, so I can't say it, but this is for the oldest as part of her stocking filler. I got these for Ben because he loves these pots, and these are new ones. They're Brookies, so they were on offer, so I got them. These are for their stockings. 4 lots of tomato puree, 2 lots of black beans, 2 lots of pinto beans. I can only find these at Tesco's. 2 lots of sweet corn, a cat food, giant one, another giant cat food. This is normally, I looked for 2 kilos, this is normally £4.25, and this was £8 for, how big are you? How much are you? Do you weigh? 4 kilos. So, yeah, works out a bit cheaper. And then I got the girls these for their stocking fill as well. I've been looking at these online for so long, so I'm very excited to find them in Tesco's for £4 each. So yeah, that was the Tesco shop. I'm going to put it away and then we'll have a chat about the meal plan and other bits later. Hey, it's a few days later since I did that food shop that you've just watched. But I thought I would quickly just give you the meal plan for the week. So we've had... Tonight we just had pasta because my friend was meant to come, so the meal plan changed slightly. Last night we just had pasta and tonight we just had pasta and sausages. It's Friday. Last night we had shepherd's pie. Wednesday night we made pizzas. Tuesday night the kids had chicken nuggets because I've been poorly. Tomorrow, what's tomorrow? Oh, tomorrow I'm making the cabbage roll in a bowl, which I think looks amazing, but Ben thinks it looks disgusting. He really doesn't want to eat it, but I think it looks delicious. So we're going to make it and we will see what it's like. And the kids, I don't know what they're going to have tomorrow. we did like an inventory of the freezer to see what we have, because my mum brings meat every week, and she's been buying like mystery meats, she calls them, like Mystery Meat Thursday for Ben, where she buys him like pork loin that's like peri peri flavour, or lemon and chilli chicken wings and stuff, but it's things that only Ben eats, and there is a lot in the freezer, and we realised like over 2 entire drawers are just meat that only Ben eats. So we kind of had to go through and work out what we've got and what is there for. So like if there's a meal where I can do like plain chicken for me and the kids, or like herby chicken for me and the kids, or salt and pepper chicken for me and the kids, then there'll be something that we can take out and cook for Ben. And then all this week the kids have been having packed lunches as normal, like they usually do. I have had for lunches, I've had noodles a couple of times, I've had soup once because I had some leftover. We had some Korean spicy rice cakes yesterday, which I ordered off Amazon, which were, I didn't like the sauce, but I really liked the texture, and then I just put chilli sauce on them and they were really good. Yeah, and then on Sunday I think I want to do like a roast, but just with chicken breasts, roast some chicken breasts and then have them as a traditional roast. Because we've got no plans this weekend, and we're only going to have one car because we're selling my car tomorrow. So yeah, that was the meal plan for the week. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I love you, bye.